Here I have BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Here choose power off and tab OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. As soon as blue logo pops up, you can release both keys. Here we've got also information about the recovery mode, and now you can use Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down here to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to confirm it. Then let's scroll down to highlight Yes, delete all user data and press power button to choose it. That's it, the phone is wiping data, the phone is formatting all personal stuff and customize settings. As soon as Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, simply press power key to reboot system now, and the phone is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you can see there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.